Assalamu alaikum once again. Welcome back to my channel. Education is the key to success. With another video, how to make part on catia. We are discussing the part we're going to make. Let me show the sketch. This is the sketch what we are going to try today, and I've already tried this. I can show you. Yes, this is like this. Okay. So, but I will make again here. So mechanical design. I was previously working in mechanical design and part design environment. Now I will go with shape, and that is generative shape design. Okay, let's sketch in XY plane. Our values are so small, so we can zoom in much to have accurate measurements and normal view, precise view. I will select the rectangle because I should tell you from the start that why I'm selecting the this. You can see this that we are having rectangle in its base where we are going to start, but you see that it is telling you something that you just start from the center and just make this part and have this other part from on this part. That is, it is given measurements from this side only. Yeah, you can say the half measurements. Basically these are full measurements, but from the base length is just given half from center. Right, from center this side is this and this side is this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, let's see, this rectangle is with base of from rectangle, this is base of 12 millimeter and length of 4 millimeter. So rectangle from the center, little bit zoom out. So this will be of 4 millimeter and this will be of 12 mm. Okay, now you can zoom in. 4 and 12, and next rectangle of should be this length, that is 8 length, and width is just 10 millimeter. Length is 8 and width is 10 from center. Length is 8 and width is 10. Okay, width is 10 and length is 8. Okay, width is 10 and length is 8. So we will make another triangle with the length of just 27 minus 12, 15 millimeter, and the width of 6 millimeter. This. So again, press the control button and down arrow key and make again a rectangle from here. This should be 6 mm and this should be 15 mm. So There is another now from 32 minus 7 there is 5 millimeter straight line, and then 8 for 32 to 40 there is 8 millimeter radius. Okay, so again press the control and down arrow key and just make another rectangle with the length of 5 millimeter, and the other measurement of width is just it is 10 millimeter. I think, let me check it again. It is of 8 millimeter. So it is 8 mm. Okay, now we will be going to make circle from this end of radius 8. This is just diameter of 16, that is mean of radiation, and this is over defining because it is just got attached from here. You can, so okay, now have the trim tool and just cancel this. No, control Z and just control again Z. Do not have this circle to collide it there. Make again circle, make a small circle. Or large circle, whatever you want. And now set radius of 8, that means diameter of 16. Okay, now use the trim tool, or before trimming make a line here so that you can define yourself the boundary, because we need half part. So this is trim, remove this part, again select trim, remove this part, and remove this part. But now it is saying that it is now over defining, so you can just remove this diameter defining state. Okay, but what negligency people can made is that I should show you by zooming in that there is some circle part passing from here, so you should also trim that. Okay, now zoom out. Just look at this. Again zoom in. So there is a chamfer of 2 millimeter with the 45 angle. So it is just not 2 millimeter, that this is just 2 millimeter. I must make and then show you that I select the chamfer and I select, let's suppose I am having this option and I am having these to be to make. So when okay, let me show you again. Let me show you again. I have select the chamfer option, select this option, that other two ends construction line stream. I mean that when after joining this, the part of this and this line which is left, it should be trimmed over. So I will choose this option, construction line trim, and when I will join them, I have an option that I should be having measurements of just this side from this to this, or this. I want to define not only this, I want to define this length also and this length also, that they should be equal. So this much, okay, yes. And now that is 45-degree line, and it should be defined as 2 millimeter. Okay, there can be question that what should happen if I choose other options. Then you can see that it will be 2 millimeter, but it will just be going that to that side. It will not be touching the corners to 8 mil. It will be from here, maybe from here corner, but not from this line. That is why we have to define 2 millimeter in this direction and 2 millimeter in this direction. And the same way, I will press the control button and scroll up, and we'll be having uh, again chamfer here. Let me look how much chamfer is this. So this is the chamfer of 4 millimeter and the 45-degree. These all are 45-degree, and again chamfer option, make sure this option is selected, and this line is selected, and make sure that this line is also selected. So now we will be having, yes, 4 millimeter in this direction and 4 millimeter in this direction. You can see that this is not working in positive way. Let me look why. Okay, press again the chamfer, make this option, yes, make this option 4 millimeter, make this option 4 millimeter. Now they are well defined. Okay, now I should go control and scroll up. Now you can see that we are having uh, there is not the chamfer, this is the curve and radius of 2 millimeter. So I that is like you can say a corner. So I'm going to put this corner. The same option is selected. We should trim other sides, and radius is of, you can say it, we will make it 2 millimeter. Okay, just little bit zoom out. Now I will remove the inner lines, and I will tell you that why I'm doing this, because if I will go with these lines, when I will rotate this, these lines will disturb me. You can choose. Now you just have a close boundary part. Okay, now you can go exit the workbench. This is you can have it in by selecting this option of rotate in your desired direction like this. Okay. Now go to insert menu and view the surface option and revolve option. Sketches, I've taken axis should be the perpendicular axis of this, and limit should be of, angle should be of 360 degree, and okay. Now I do not need this sketch, so I will be going to hide sketch one. Now you can see that Well, it is look like that, but something is missing. We need to do right now. Okay, that will be me. Okay, you should be having this type of view to you. In our sketch there is some circle, so I will be going to make that circle. Select this plane, go to sketch environment, have the fit all in. Now select the circle from the center. Its radius is, I think, I guess so, is 5 millimeters, so diameter is 10 millimeter. Okay, now in the same way I will make its half part in the other side boundary. So I will make a line and remove the other part of circle. Now exit the workbench. Now this is our circle, sketch 2. Go to insert menu and go to again surface option and revolve. Sketch is already selected, so select the revolution axis and 360 degree. Now people can say that if we do not have 360-degree option, then what will happen? So I want to must show you that let have 180-degree. Okay, after having 180-degree, insert option surfaces. No, we wanna do some operation, and from operation I will be going to select the trim tool. I will select this part and select this part, revolute 1 and revolution 2. These two revolve, and I should choose which part I do not want to have. Okay, no, I want to have that body. From here, yes, I don't want to have this body, so I will say okay. Now by revolving or rotating your body, you can see that this is hollow in till the end. So I must show you from your sketch given that we are just going to have hollow till the radius 5, not above all. So that is why that will help us. So press Ctrl Z, again Ctrl Z, and now just go to again insert and surface options and revolve option and select sketch 2. Axis will be the central line and 360-degree. Okay, now go to insert menu, operations, and trim tool and select this revolution 1 and revolution um, 2, and we want to keep the other part, other side. Second, say we will remove some part and say okay. So you can fit in all. Now you can see this, we are not having any hollow thing that is filled from. We are not going to see the upper part from that hole. And this is like that what we want to make. Okay guys, thank you for watching. May God bless you. Keep supporting and show your love, and subscribe and share, like. That will motivate me to make more videos and to help you guys. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.